Chapter 11. Human Resources. Introduction to the chapter. India is very rich in natural resources. But people are not very rich. Many people cannot afford even to good meals. So, many people do not have proper shelter. Every day you see especially children on the roads do not have proper clothes. Countries like Japan and Singapore are not rich in natural resources. But the people are prosperous. Even within our country's people is Punjab are more prosperous than those in Bihar. Punjab is not rich in minerals like Bihar. Human as resource. The natural resources alone are of no use if not utilized wisely and efficiently. India is blessed with rich natural resources. You need educated and skilled people to convert these natural resources into useful goods. Thus the people of country are called its human resource. They are a country's most valuable resource. After independence, efforts have been made to develop resources to meet the needs of the people. Progress has been made in agricultural and industrial production. New schools, colleges and hospitals have also been opened in different parts of the country. Reasons for India being underdeveloped. Developments in all fields have greatly improved the standard of living of the people. But still about half the people of the country are very poor. A large number of people in India live below the poverty line. They do not get enough to eat. One of the reasons for such poverty is the ever-increasing population. Another reason is the unequal distribution of wealth. At present, the total population of India is over 1.35 billion, 135 crores. India has more people than the combined population of much larger countries such as Russia, USA, Canada, Australia and Brazil. India occupies just 2.4% of the world's land area but has 17.5% of the world's population. Unequal distribution of population. The increasing population creates many problems. There is shortage of food, water, houses, schools, colleges, hospitals and jobs. A large number of Indians are uneducated and unemployed. The distribution of population in India is also uneven. Some areas are very thickly populated while some have very few people living in them. The average density of population in India is 324 people per square kilometer. The world's average density is only 45 people per square kilometer. More than half of the total population of India live in 5 states: Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous. Out of every 4 Indians, 3 live in villages. Farming is their main occupation. Due to lack of work in the village and repeated crop failures, many villagers come to the cities. These people are called migrants. This creates even greater problems as they do not find regular jobs in the city. Most of them work as daily wagers. Steps taken by the government. The government is taking the following steps to solve the problems of the people. Health centers and hospitals are being opened in villages and towns. Banks give easy loans to the people to encourage them to start their own business. Jobs are being given to the poor. Land and houses are being allotted to the poor. People are being encouraged to have small families. Children from poor families are being educated. The government is running lakhs of schools all over the country. To check the migration of villages to cities, the government is providing job opportunities in the villages.